In this tutorial, we will see that how you can add text to speech to Canva videos. That will be free and simple method. So let's dive right in. So we are in this canva.com. To start with, click on this create a design. Here you can search for a video or you can scroll down. Here you'll find this video section. You can open it and here is a window. Now firstly we have to upload a video here. On the left side, you will find some of options. You have to open this uploads, upload files and select your video. Open it. It will show here in this video section after uploading it. If you click on that video, it will automatically paste it on that canvas. You can make it to full screen like that. After doing these basic steps, to add voiceover, on the left side you'll find apps. Click on that and here you can search for a voice. Open this AI voiceover. Here you will find this sum of options. So to add voiceover for free, you have to select this first one, AI voiceover. Then you can select your language. I will select, then select speaker. There are some of premium and standard speakers, so I will select any of standard to get voiceover for free. You can also preview its voice from here.
Hi, my name is Brian.
And then you can change its speed. I will change it to medium and then change its pitch. So here you have to type text that you want to generate through AI voiceover. So I will type here like this. Then click on this generate voiceover. It will ask you this. AI voiceover wants to connect your account. Click on this. Connect. You can sign in with your Google account. After signing in, you can click on this generate voiceover. So here it is. You can play it.
Hello, this is my first audio. For the testing purpose.
So this was a free method to generate text to speech in Canva videos. If you want to try premium method, you can open this website naturalreader.com. After signing in, you can simply type here text and then if you click on this save option, it will ask you to create account. After creating account, click on these three dots and here it will give you this MP3 option of download. You can download it from here. This second method is paid, but the first method that I showed you is totally free and simple. So that's how you can add text to speech to Canva videos in just few steps.